Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make beef xacuti. I've used beef with bone. To all the beef lover, this is a perfect recipe for you. Try this recipe and enjoy. I've taken 1 kg beef with bone, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and 1 lemon cut in half and squeeze. So when you squeeze the lemon, if you see any seed, please remove, otherwise it will taste bitter. Mix all the ingredients together and leave it aside for at least half an hour. Meanwhile, we'll start with the other preparation. So now let's start with the masala. I've taken 3 medium sized onion. I will use only one in order to roast it, and remaining 2 I will use it for further. Check this out, medium size I've cut. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 cup of grated coconut. Saute it on a medium flame. Add the diced onion and saute well till it becomes slightly golden in color. Now once it gets color, keep coconut on the side. 1 tablespoon of dry coriander, 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, 1 inch of cinnamon, cloves 5, green cardamom I've used 5, and 20 of black peppercorn. Roast all the ingredients till you get a good aroma. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Check the color, guys. This is how you roast all the ingredients. In the same pan, add 1 more tablespoon of oil and add 5 chillies. Now once chillies are done, keep it aside. In the same pan, add half a bunch of green coriander, fresh coriander. With stem I have used. Saute it for a while and leave it aside. Now in a pressure cooker, I have used 1 cup of water and let it whistle for at least 8 till they are soft. Now remaining 2 onion, finely chop them while your beef is getting cooked. And 1 tomato, remove the seed and chop. This beef recipe is a hit recipe in my house. You can also try this. In a vessel, add oil, add chopped onion and saute it for a while. Once the onion is brown, add tomato and saute it at least for 2 minutes. Check the beef. It's already cooked. Now add the beef with the water and mix well. Now the masala which we have grinded, add the masala. Check the color, guys. And let it simmer for at least 20 to 30 minutes on a slow flame. Guys, check the gravy, check the consistency, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala I have added for better flavor. Now at this stage our beef is done. It becomes soft, and check the consistency. So guys, one thing now, if there is any gravy remaining out of this, you can make a better roast omelette in the evening. Try this recipe and enjoy beef. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and God bless you all. Thank you very much.